how to add mods and routines shortcut to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. After that, we then go down and tap on wallpaper and style. Now here, tap on the left hand side panel. Next, tap on the left or the right shortcut. Then we scroll down. From here, tap on mods and routines, and then tap on done. And then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen, and in here, when you want to access mods and routine, you can just simply swipe on it, and that will quickly allow you to open up the mods and routine page. And from here, you can run a mod or a routine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.